Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you a DIY remedy for dark and pigmented underarms. For this remedy you will require to do 3 basic steps, and the steps are: first cleanse, second is exfoliate, and third is the mask or pack. So let's get started. First we will see the cleansing step, that is I have taken here 1 tablespoon of raw milk. Raw milk acts as a very good cleanser. So you can just take 1 tablespoon of raw milk and dip a cotton ball in it and just wipe off your underarms thoroughly and then wash off with warm water or plain water. And the next step is exfoliate. Here I am showing you 2 basic remedies, 2 options, that is. First option is which I am going to show you, that is 1 tablespoon of rice flour and a pinch of turmeric in it. Just add little water and make a paste with it. I am just taking half teaspoon of water, 1 tablespoon of water. Just mix it and make a thick paste like this, like a scrub consistency, as you can see, this way. And just massage this scrub or DIY scrub on your underarms for good 2 to 3 minutes, but please be gentle on it as your underarm skin is very sensitive. So just with light hands scrub your underarms with this scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. And the other option is that our old one, that is baking soda and water. You can use that also as a scrub. Just mix equal parts of water and baking soda and just scrub it for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse off with normal water. You can do this exfoliation maximum up to 3 times a week, because I won't advise you to do exfoliation daily and scrub your skin daily, because it will tend your skin to be sensitive and it will make your skin worse. Because if the skin is sensitive and you keep on applying one or the other things on it, then it will tend to be worse. So I would advise you to do this. If you have very sensitive skin, then I would advise you to do once in a week. If you have normal skin, if you have normal underarm skin, then you can do this twice or thrice a week. And a third option and a third step is preparing a pack or mask, whatever you say. For that I have taken 1 tablespoon of potato juice. In that I am going to add half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti, and in that I am going to add half tablespoon of Mulethi or licorice powder, and few drops, only 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you have, and just mix it. All the ingredients used in this pack are all skin lightening agents. All these are very effective in making the skin lighter. So if you have very pigmented or dark underarms, you can use this. If you wish you have very dark underarms, then I would advise you to do this pack, apply this pack daily for at least 2 to 3 weeks. And as it has all the natural ingredients, it won't harm. So here our pack is ready. Just apply this pack on your underarms, covering full area, and leave it till it dries, and then wash off with normal water. You can do this whole procedure before taking a shower, so that it is helpful that you don't get stains all over your body. Just take a shower and you will be good to go. So I'll give you a few tips on how to maintain good and fairer underarms, and the tips are as follow. The first and most important tip is don't shave your underarms, guys. Please don't ever shave your underarm, because if you tend to shave them, the blades of the razors are very harsh on the skin, and they just try to just minimize the size of your hairs. They don't tend to pull out your hair, so they just minimizes the hairs, and they start poking you after 2 to 3 days whenever you shave. And after shaving, they give a very pigmented color to your underarms. So please don't shave. Instead you can opt the option of waxing. I know it's painful, but it is better to wax your underarms. Even if you are if you don't want to wax, then you can even use hair removal creams. That are also good options, but I would advise you to do waxing, because it helps in removing the hairs from the roots, and it will help in growing the hairs more often. That is, it will take time to grow your hairs, and while your hairs are growing, if you will do these remedies, then it will help you in brightening the area of your underarms very well. And if you're running after time, friends, if you don't want to do this the whole procedure, then what you can do is just take 2 slices of potato and just rub it on your underarm area and let it dry for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse it off. At least you can do this remedy for means that is for every day for a week or so. Then you will clearly see the difference on your underarms. So I would advise you to follow these simple steps, and I am sure you will get good results from this. Apply this pack daily if you have time. If you don't have time, then just rub a slice of potato and you're good to go. And one more important thing, friends, please don't use deodorants. If you use deodorants, it will make your skin darker and pigmented. So please avoid deodorants. Instead, you can opt for perfumes. You can put perfumes on different parts of your body, like your neck, your elbows, or other areas wherever you feel so to smell good. But please don't use deodorants until you have pigmented underarms, till you are doing this remedy. So please don't use deodorants. If you want, you can try DIY deodorants from our YouTube channel. So please try this and let me know. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like my video, and please do subscribe to my channel and share it. Till then, next time, take care, bye.